Hey everybody, it is day 228 and I am excited. I finally found a roll of Leopard Print Duck Tape, which means I'm going to try my hand at making some duct tape toe stops, like toe guards. Oh, that makes me so excited. Sorry, it's so bright. I've been looking for these for a while and I had to go run some errands this morning and just so, you know, happened to walk into the craft section of Walmart for a quick minute. Mostly because I thought they were like, well, I say craft section, like their sewing section. Mostly because I thought they were like getting rid of it. Everything's like empty. And I was like, what's happening now? No, don't get rid of all the sewing. And then like there was a little wall of duct tape and I was like, wait a second. And there was leopard print. And I was like, yes. I've been looking for it for so long. It was either leopard print or checker print. And so leopard print it was. Excited. But yeah, you know what that means. That means tutorial on how to make them once I figure it out. And also start making crazy toe guards out of crazy printed duct tape. Yes, very excited about this. So hopefully I can get it figured out off of just the one roll, because it's actually really small. It's not like a normal size duct tape roll. I mean, it is in the sense of its like dimensions, but they only give you like, it's like that much on the roll. Not, you know, normal duct tape roll. It's gonna be thrifty, but yeah. Now I just gotta get my leopard print laces. I'm waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting, waiting. Because I'm trying not to spend any money and be careful since I'm not working during this whole thing and all that jazz. But I told myself I'd get them for me for my birthday, which I didn't do. So as soon as all this is over, getting some. Also, the skate rink is supposed to open back up at the end of the month. Yes! I'm so excited. I have missed it so bad. So to all my roller skaters out there, see you at the skate party.